dirt biking again. Haven't done a helmet cam in a long time, so I guess we're gonna try it. Where is he going? Oh, right here. So we'll just be doing a little riding clips, and yeah. All right, ready, go. We're gonna be going down here and down like this mountain bike trail, I guess. Let's see how this goes. Then we're gonna go to my house. Oh my gosh. Whew. Stalled. Can I start it? No, I can't. Oh, I did. Yes. Whew. So sliding there. And then I started it. Up the hill in front of us. I don't know if you can tell it's a hill. You probably, yeah, you can. And I'm trying not to put my feet down at all. Okay, oh, already did. Second. What the heck? Okay, there we go. There's a frog right there. It's in running over. So here's this little mountain bike trail. Should I do in first or second? Let's see. I guess the first is okay. Ooh. Fun fact, I actually flipped off that, and then my handguards broke. He's having some trouble. I'm gonna go down this. I've never actually done it, and I'm actually pretty scared. So here's the little drop, I guess. Oh, okay, I did it. I'll go catch up with him, but I'll talk a little. So, a few people I know want me to ride the Yamaha, but we can't get it started, so that is why he's stuck. So I'm gonna have to go see the mountain bike trail that I came down on. No feet. Oh, here's a log. Oh, shit. Yeah, I did it. I didn't actually think I'd be able to do it. I'm gonna go up these. I don't know. Alright, all good. I can't just Monday. I really like this trail. I need to do a lot more talking. I forget. Wrap up the video for today. I'm just gonna do this last technical trail. Oh man, where am I going? Over here. I never even knew that trail was there. Hope you enjoyed. There's now a tree stuck on my wheel, and I'll see you next time.